Hi, this is Nisha from gagab2b.com. Our website is free classified search engine for importers and exporters. Okay, let's go to the topic.
Hi. Welcome to all. This is Arya. Today I am going to talk about the common mistakes in import and export businesses with the solutions. Importing and exporting can be lucrative, but it's easy to make mistakes that can cost time and money. In this video, we explore the most common import-export mistakes and provide practical tips on how to avoid them. From compliance issues and documentation errors to shipping mishaps and cultural misunderstandings, we cover all the bases. Whether you're new to international trade or an experienced trader, this guide will help you navigate the complexities of import-export and ensure your business operations run smoothly. Don't miss out on these essential tips for successful global trade. 1. Incomplete or incorrect documentation. Mistake. Failing to provide complete or accurate documentation can lead to delays, fines, and even seizure of goods. Solution. Ensure all necessary documents, invoices, bills of lading, certificates of origin, etc., are accurate and complete. Use a checklist and double-check all paperwork before submission. 2. Misclassification of goods. Mistake. Incorrectly classifying goods can result in paying the wrong tariff rates or violating import-export regulations. Solution. Familiarize yourself with the Harmonized System (HS) codes and consult with a customs broker if needed to ensure correct classification. 3. Non-compliance with regulations. Mistake. Not adhering to the regulations and standards of the destination country can cause significant legal and financial issues. Solution. Research and understand the import-export regulations of the countries you're trading with. Stay updated on any changes in laws and standards. 4. Underestimating costs. Mistake. Failing to account for all costs, duties, taxes, shipping, insurance, etc., can lead to financial shortfalls. Solution. Create a detailed budget that includes all potential costs associated with importing/exporting. Factor in unexpected expenses and fluctuations in currency rates. 5. Poor packaging. Mistake. Inadequate packaging can result in damaged goods, leading to losses and customer dissatisfaction. Solution. Use high-quality, appropriate packaging materials and methods to protect your goods during transit. Consider climate conditions and handling during the shipping process. 6. Ignoring cultural differences. Mistake. Overlooking cultural differences can lead to misunderstandings and strained business relationships. Solution. Educate yourself about the cultural norms and business practices of your trading partners. Be respectful and adapt your communication and negotiation strategies accordingly. 7. Inadequate risk management. Mistake. Failing to anticipate and mitigate risks such as currency fluctuations, political instability, or supply chain disruptions. Solution. Implement a risk management strategy that includes insurance, diversifying suppliers, and hedging against currency risks. 8. Choosing the wrong shipping method. Mistake. Selecting an inappropriate shipping method can result in higher costs or delayed delivery. Solution. Analyze your shipping needs, cost, speed, reliability, and choose the most suitable shipping method. Consult with logistics experts if necessary. 9. Overlooking customs broker services. Mistake. Attempting to handle customs clearance without professional help can lead to errors and delays. Solution. Hire a qualified customs broker to assist with the customs clearance process. Their expertise can help ensure compliance and expedite the process. 10. Lack of market research. Mistake. Entering a market without thorough research can result in poor product fit and low sales. Solution. Conduct comprehensive market research to understand demand, competition, and consumer preferences in the target market. Adjust your products and strategies accordingly. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can enhance the efficiency and success of your import-export business, ensuring smoother operations and greater profitability.